Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix error code 0x800f081f on Windows 11. First, we will run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to System, then scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Next, select Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update in the list and click on the Run button next to it. Windows will now scan for update-related problems and try to fix them automatically. Let the process finish and apply any fixes it finds. Next, we will enable .NET Framework 3.5, which is often required to fix this error. Click on the Start menu and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Open it from the search results. In the list that appears, find .NET Framework 3.5. Make sure the box next to it is checked. This also includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Click OK and wait while Windows installs the feature. Restart your computer if Windows asks you to. Finally, we will scan and repair system files using Command Prompt. Click on the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. When the command window opens, type sfc/scanO and press Enter. The scan will start and may take some time. Do not close the window until it reaches 100%. Once the scan is complete, restart your PC and check if the error is resolved. Thanks for watching.